Romantic.
Romantic. Okay, no problem. C.
C for car.
C for
Car.
car. Okay, car. R. Today we'll play a game. It's called word game. Why we'll play word game? Because it will help to increase our vocabulary. We'll learn some new, or we can memorize our previous vocabulary. Rule is that if I say any word like pen, P-E-N, pen. So last letter is N. You have to say a word using N. You can't repeat any words. First word is pen, P-E-N, pen. So you have to make a word using N.
Next.
Next. So last letter is T.
Tongue twister.
Tongue twister. Okay, you can say only one word, tongue.
Tongue, okay, tongue.
Okay, E. Last letter
E.
is C.
E for English.
E for English. Okay. Last letter is H. H.
Here.
Here. R. Last letter is R.
R for
For what?
rain.
R for rain. Okay. Next letter is N.
Name.
Come here. What?
Name.
Name. Okay. E.
Egg.
Egg. Okay. G.
G. Go.
G.
Go.
Go. Yeah. O.
Always.
Always. No, it's A.
Orange.
Orange. Can I accept it?
Yep. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Orange. E.
Earth.
Earth. Last letter? I think H.
H. H for high.
H for high.
H.
H. Again H.
Hand.
Hand. Okay. D.
D for Joe.
D for door. R.
Rain.
R for
Rainbow.
rainbow. W.
Week.
Week. K. K.
Khali. Khali khana ki.
Okay,
Khali.
Khali. I mean, Curly. So Y. Last letter is Y.
Yellow.
Yellow. W.
We.
Week.
We.
W.
We. Whatever. Wait.
Yeah, we.
Yes.
Okay.
E
E.
for England.
No, you can't say any England country name.
You say country name. England. It's a specific name.
Yeah, you can't say England.
Okay.
E for
E for
we'll count till 5 because we don't have enough time.
Wow.
another. No.
No, sit down. You lose the game. E for
Energy.
energy. Y.
Y for yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay.
Day.
Y. Again Y.
Wednesday.
No, it's W for Wednesday. Y. Sit down. Y.
Year.
Yeah, Y-E-A-R.
Year.
Okay, last letter is R.
Or
I know I think.
regular.
Regular. Yeah, R.
River.
What?
River.
River. Yeah, R again.
Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
U.
U.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella. Umbrella last letter?
A.
A.
And
And D.
do.
Do. O.
Opportunity.
Opportunity. Yes. Y.
Y for yes.
Yes. S.
Said.
Sage. D.
D for Doritos.
What?
Doritos.
Doritos. Last letter is
S.
S or E.
Maybe S.
S. Okay. Wait a second.
Sweet.
Sweet.
T.
SW.
T.
Hmm?
T.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Why?
Okay, Tuesday. Y.
Years.
Years. What kinds of years? EARS. Years or year? No.
5.
Why?
4.
Year.
What?
3. 2.
Yesterday.
Yesterday one of you said already. Yeah, already said. You can't repeat.
0.
Sit down. Okay.
Year. Y-E-R.
Y-E.
A-R mean. Year.
Already said year.
Who said year?
Yeah, one of
Younger?
them, yes. Younger, yes, younger. R.
Rule.
Rule. E.
E for energy.
Energy. Y. Okay. Oh, energy already said. Sorry.
E for anything.
Anything. G. G for
Good.
good.
Good. D.
Okay.
Deed.
Huh? What?
Deed. D-I-D.
DID did. Okay, go there. These bands. Go there. If you go this, go there. Okay. So what she said? Did. So D.
Day.
Day. Okay, everyone said yesterday. Day didn't say. So why?
Yo-yo.
Yo. Okay. O.
Open.
Open. N.
And name.
Name.
Already
Already said. Yeah. You can't repeat.
Note. N-U-T.
Note. Yes. E.
Tiger.
N.
U-T. Note.
N-U-T. Note. Yeah. It's not. Okay. No problem. Not T.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Why always R?
Tiger.
It's a name. Okay.
Huh?
It's a noun. Appropriate noun.
Yay. T.
T.
5.
T. Tail.
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 Tell. L.
Little.
Little. L.
Last.
Last.
T for tree.
T for tree. E.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Elephants, yes.
No, you can say.
Eat.
Eat. Yes, eat. T.
T. Tall.
Told. D.
Deer.
Dear. R.
Romantic.
Romantic. Okay, no problem. C.
C for car.
C for
Car.
car. Okay, car. R.
Read.
Read. D.
Rate.
What?
D.
Red.
D.
Yes, D.
D. Do.
Do already said.
Oh. Daily.
Yeah, daily. Why?
Y
quick.
for yesterday said. Yippee.
What?
It's not a
You
verb.
can say yep.
Yep.
Okay, P.
Personal.
Just.
Personal.
What?
Personal.
Personal. Personal, anyone said? No, no one. Personal.
L for
L.
lawyer.
What?
Lawyer.
Lawyer. R.
Room.
Room. Yes, M.
May.
M for May.
May.
Y for what?
Please sit down.
Your.
So R. So R.
Regain.
What?
Regain.
Regain. R. Regain. N.
And need.
Need. D.
Don't.
Don't. Okay, don't. Accept it.
Told.
Told. Anyone said? Yes, anyone said told.
Together.
Together. R.
Routine.
Routine. E.
E.
Two.
Not right.
Okay, sit down.
E.
E. It was E? Yeah. E.
E. English.
English. Who say? You. Okay. Another one. Another one. Quick.
Ego.
Ego. Yes. Ego. O.
Ox.
Ox.
X for genetics.
Genetics. No. G for genetics.
X for excellent.
Excellent. It's E for excellent.
X.
It's very uncommon word. Okay.
X. Excuse.
E for excuse, not extra.
X-ray.
Okay, please sit down, sit down. Today I won't declare any winner because today's game has something wrong, I think. So you have noticed also some people like one of you said orange, okay? So I didn't say it's a fruit name, that time I accept it. So from that time we make lots of mistakes. So we'll play this game properly that time like our previous day. We declare who was the winner. Yeah, La Viva. Okay. So today we didn't get any winner.